Today's menu is Japanese fried chicken. The full list of ingredients and exact measurements are written in the description, so check it out. The ingredients and steps are very simple. This is not a typical home-style Japanese fried chicken. This is the Japanese fried chicken recipe. I learned while working at an izakaya. It goes perfectly with rice and with drinks. I really recommend trying it. Home-style Japanese fried chicken is already great like this, but here adding grated onion and grated apple takes it to the next level. Onion and apple add depth and natural sweetness. Their enzymes also break down the protein, making the chicken tender and juicy. I usually use chicken thighs, but this time to really show how juicy it can be, I'm using chicken breast. There is still one more secret I haven't shared yet, so make sure to watch until the end. The final secret ingredient is honey. It adds even deeper flavor and makes the chicken extra moist. Unlike fried chicken, Japanese fried chicken is seasoned before frying. That's where the flavor comes from. This izakaya-style fried chicken is perfect with a cold beer. Serve it with any leafy greens you like. When I was young, I didn't have much money. Back then, Japanese fried chicken felt like a small feast. I was working at an izakaya at the time, and that's where I learned how to make it. I'm really glad I did, even now. Japanese fried chicken is still special to me. I love it freshly fried, with a bowl of white rice. Recently, I went to Nagasaki. I traveled with friends. I once shared a one-room apartment with. There were 6 of us. Looking back, it was a pretty reckless way to live. But those days were fun. We walked around the city, ate together, and talked. Everyone is living a different life now, but some things haven't changed. Moments like that still feel really good.